How to send money through Western Union. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you can either utilize the website of Western Union or also you can go with the application of Western Union, whether on iOS or Android. After that, just simply log into your account, and right after that you would be able to find the option of either check rates or send money on your application or your user interface. Just simply click on it, and this way you would be able to select the option of the amount that you want to send and also the currencies that you can send. So simply select the currencies and the places where you want to send the particular amount of money. Suppose I want to send it to some other place, just select that particular place over here, and you would be able to see the amount that the receiver will be getting. And this way, just simply click on this option of send money now, and after that you would be prompted to select the payment method, like how you want to pay this particular amount. Just select it according to your needs and requirements. After that, you would be requiring to enter the recipient's information. Just provide the information of the recipient. After that, you can review and confirm your transaction. After that, you would be requiring to enter the card information. Now you would be redirected to a confirmation page where you would be able to see the confirmation message that your transaction has been sent and the receiver or the recipient would be receiving the money. Now there you would also be able to see a MTCN number. Simply share up that particular number with your recipient, and after that you can check out your transaction in the history, and this way you would also be able to initiate some more transactions using the same information by just going to the edit option, and there you can change the amount in case if you want to make the transaction to the same person in future. And this is how you send money through Western Union. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.